Hi, I'm Parminder. I am a research fellow and a PhD candidate at CED. I started my doctorate in 2019. Last year, I received an FPI grant funded by the Ministry of Science and Innovation. The project I'm working under, it's called GlobeFam, and the main aim of the project is to investigate the dimensions of family change around the world, with the special emphasis on social, educational, and regional inequalities. The research paper I'm currently involved in studies gender and immigration. Right now I'm analyzing preference for male children among Indian immigrants residing in Western societies. And I have dedicated myself to research because it answers so many unknown things, and frankly speaking, I never liked the inequalities in society and always wanted to understand and explore them. And this led to me to choose an academic career and possibly contribute to the call to action for a more gender equal society. And I think demography is a better area where that could provide me better opportunities and give me possible answers and make me grow as a researcher and a better human being. Thank you.